For over 160 years, our agency has evolved to meet every challenge. From the original Secret Service operatives and White House police to the special agents and officers of today, we all share the same mission. Whether we are standing post at the White House, investigating counterfeiting in a lab, perched on a rooftop in New York City, or within arm's reach of a protectee. In the past, we've operated with 2 separate badges. That ends this year. We will move forward with a single badge. The design of this badge is intentional. It pays tribute to the legacies that have existed for over a century, while moving forward to a new era. The raised star anchors a circular shield design. This is inspired by the original badge our operatives once carried, never forgetting our history. The gold accents reflect the command emblems used by the Secret Service Police. A blue ring encircles the badge, highlighting our shared law enforcement heritage. The purpose behind this initiative is clear: one agency, one badge.